Hello, I'm Nelson Hill, Electronic Service Team Leader here at Yalabo USA. Today we're going to go over how to set your Presto to be controlled using either the RS-232, the USB, or the Ethernet interface. First, you would go into the menu, select Connect Unit, select your digital interfaces, and you can see the settings for the RS-232. We have parity, which can be set between none, odd, and even. If you select none, it changes the data bits. Baud rate, we have a variety of selections. 4800 is our factory default. And handshake, we have none, software, and hardware. Hardware is our factory default on these. The Ethernet, if you have the obtain IP address from your network activated, it will automatically give a network IP address that you would need to use in EasyTemp if you were using that to control this. So the remote control, we can select RS-232, go back to the home screen. You're going to see an R in the top of the display, and you're going to see RS-232 down where the set point is being shown. We'll say we want to use USB. Select USB, go back to the home screen. Again, the big R is indicated in the top. Now you're going to see it says USB in the set point button, which indicates that it is now in USB control mode. Go back to remote control mode, select Ethernet, go back to the home screen. Now we have the big R again, and it now says Ethernet in the button. And lastly, if we want to go back to manual control, select off, and now it says set point in the button, and the big R is missing from the screen. That is how to set your Presto unit into remote control using either the USB, RS-232, or Ethernet interfaces.